morning everyone. I am Marianne Anquillano from BSCRIM 3. So in this video, I will be presenting the parts and function of the Lafayette polygraph machine. So the Lafayette Ambassador Analog Polygraph Machine is a forensic instrument designed to simultaneously record sociological responses, respiration, cardiovascular activity, and skin conductivity on chart paper to detect deception. So key components include homograph tubes, a blood pressure cuff, finger electrodes, and a motor driving chart recorder, allowing examiners to analyze psychological stress responses. So now let's proceed to the parts and function of the Lafayette polygraph machine. So we have here the homograph tubes. The homograph tubes are rubber tubes placed around the chest and abdomen of the examinee to measure respiration. Their main function is to record the rate, depth, and the pattern of breathing. Sudden changes in respiration or breathing holding that may indicate emotional stress or an attempt by the subject to manipulate the test results. So next we have here also the cardio cuff or the blood pressure cuff. The cardio cuff is wrapped around the upper arm of the examinee, similar to a regular blood pressure monitor. Its function is to measure cardiovascular activities such as blood pressure, pulse rate, and pulse amplitude during the test. This part helps the examiner observe changes in the subject's heart activity, which may increase when the person experiences anxiety, fear, or stress while answering the questions. So next we have here also the galvanograph or GSR sensor. The galvano sensor, also known as galvanic skin response sensors, are usually attached to the fingers or palm of the examinee. Their function is to measure the electrical conductivity of the skin, which changes when a person sweats due to emotional tension. Even small amounts of perspiration caused by nervousness can be detected by these sensors, allowing the examiner to monitor psychological stress during questioning. Next, the computer system and software. The computer system serves as the main recording and processing unit of the polygraph machine. Its function is to collect, store, and display the physiological data coming from the different sensors in the form of digital charts or graphs. The software allows the examiner to analyze the recorded responses, review the results, and generate reports for investigation purposes. Next, we have here also the homoplates or recording system. The homoplates or recording system are responsible for converting the physiological signals from the sensor into visible chart tracing. Their function is to display the reaction of the examinee, such as breathing, heart activity, and skin conductivity, in a graphical format. These charts help the examiner compare the subject's responses to different questions and interrupt the patterns that may indicate truthfulness and deception. So next, the movement sensor or the seat pad sensor. The movement sensor is placed on the chair where the examinee sits during the polygraph test. Its function is to detect body movements such as shifting muscles tightening or attempts to control breathing or posture to influence the results. This sensor helps the examiner identify possible countermeasures or actions that may affect the accuracy of the physiological recordings. Last part of the Lafayette polygraph machine is the keyboard or control panel. The keyboard or control panel is used by the polygraph examiner to operate the machine during the examination. Its function is to control the start and stop of the recordings, marks the tracing of questions, and manage the input of data into the system. It also serves as the interface that helps the examiner organize and monitor the test while it is being conducted.